Turtle Head Peak. That's our trail today because we are here in Red Rock. It's a very nice, peaceful, quiet morning. Being a weirdo.
Yes.
We got the doggies. Frankies. Hey, Frank. Daisy. Anyway, come along with us, you guys. How are you this morning? We are doing wonderful, aren't we, Chad?
Yeah.
All right. Well, first I want you to know, for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm Corey. This is my son, Chad. Hi. And you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. Today's adventure is, we are going to do something very special today. Aw, someone left their glasses. I hope they come back and find them. We're going to do something very special today, because you want to know why? Let's tell them, Chad. We are doing our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Out here in Red Rock. On this trail, we're going to get up to that Turtle Head Peak, and we're going to be doing some lovely, wonderful snacks. And we'll show you here in just a minute, okay? Wow! All right, you guys. We'll be back in a few. All right, you guys. Well, we're on the trail a little bit, and we wanted to show you a little bit of the trail and our snacks for today. Daisy, come on, girl. So these are the snacks we're gonna try for you guys. You know what? This looks like a nice little stop right here. Let's take a break for a second. So we got Frankie. Come on, sit. Okay. So we got these ones. Chad, you want to hold them up? These are some little like preserved fruit snacks that we have, and these are both different kind of fruit snacks. Never tried them before, so I'm not sure. We're gonna have to find out. I don't know exactly what type of fruit it is. Maybe I can figure it out and let you guys know. And then we also have right here, Chad, we also have these. Our crispy, spicy, they're crispy beans. These are both spicy flavor, and I was curious which, the different color on the packages. So these are our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day snacks out here in Red Rock, and we'll be back. We're gonna get to our little peak area that we want to go, and we're gonna try them and review them for you. Okay. All right, guys. We'll be back in a little bit. We'll kind of show you the trail a little along the way too. It's a beautiful area. As you can see, the beautiful Red Rock right behind me. Isn't it nice? And sandstone quarry. A trail I went on with Out and About with Diane. Frankie is ready to go. All right, you guys, that's a cue. We better get going. Wow, look at the different color on the rocks right here. From this, like a sandstone color, to red. Wow, isn't that beautiful?
Stay.
Yep. Okay, so this is where you are started out back there at Calico Tanks. You will go straight down this way. We're doing this one, Turtle Head Peak. So we want to go this way. Whew. Okay, we moved on from our little snack break, and boy, have we had an incline. And look, you guys, I'll turn the camera. Watch out, Chad, let me go in front. Look, you guys, it's gonna get even more of an incline. The glare, I don't know if you can see them very good, but I know they're starting to look a little yummy now, huh? Oh, upside down. Asian riding, hard to tell the difference until I see the... What do you think, Chad? Looking yummy. Woo! I don't know if it's that one we're headed to or that one. I have not done this trail before.
I feel like it's gonna be that one because it kind of looks like a turtlehead.
Yeah, it's possible. So I'm thinking that one. But okay, we're gonna move on now so we can finish our... I know you're so ready to find out what these taste like. I'm ready, but we still got a ways to go on our hike. We have to wait. You have to wait. Okay, you guys. Wiping the little bit of dust and stuff off our hands. All clean. Okay, we're gonna try this one first. Okay. Let's see here. All right, put that in my pocket. Bring it out. The trash. Take it back. Okay, let me show you. I'll show you. Can you hold that, please? No, stay back.
Still good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Those are the little beans. These are spicy flavor. Pretty cool. You want to get... I'll try that. You try this. All right, watch out. Oh. Okay. Woo! Cheers. All right, you guys. Cheers. We're trying it. They look like they're deep fried. They're kind of hollowed out a little bit. Mmm. Ooh. Wow, I like that one. Whoa. Where's the bag at? Okay. Wow. Mmm.
They have a little bit of flavor of the, you know,
the bean.
Yeah, and like curry.
Like a little curry flavor. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. All right. Mmm. These are really good. Really crispy. And, you know, crispy, crunchy. Same thing, I guess. I don't think they're too spicy. Not yet. Maybe as you go on a little bit. But anyway. All right. That one. My star rating for this one is... I give it a 4-star. Everything's pretty good on it, but it's a little greasy, but that's okay. I think they were deep fried. I think that's what's going on here. So anyway, that's my star rating, a 4-star. What do you got?
Yeah, 4-star, because they're a good snack.
It was a really good snack. I like it. Okay. No, gotta move on. Okay, you guys, we got this one now. You ready? Let's try this one. Just get a couple out. We gotta kind of move fast. It's getting too windy. No. Here, just take 2 of those or something.
Just about the same.
Yeah, they do look the same. They look the same, you guys. Nice and hollow, really crispy. Let's see if the flavors stay the same. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Oh.
It's sweeter.
That was a difference. Oh.
Kind of tastes like pig ears.
Mmm. Okay. Wow. I like that one better. That had a sweetness to it. Same crunch. Still was like kind of deep fried, a little greasy.
I think I like
Still?
I like the red one better.
You like the red one better? I like the sweetness in this one. This one was really good. Had a nice, cool sweetness to it.
Yeah.
All right. My star rating on this one, I'm gonna go 4.5. I like this one a little bit better.
4.
You're still gonna go 4?
Yep.
Okay. Well, we're gonna move on, you guys. There. Here, put that in your backpack. Let's move on to these
Okay.
preserved fruits because it's getting windy up here, so we need to move on. We're trying this one. This is a little different here. We're trying this one, you guys.
Smells like olive.
It looks like an olive. Okay. So this preserved fruit might have a seed in it. So be careful. Don't just chomp down in it. Interesting. The smell is like a little vinegar flavor. Vinegar smell. All right. We'll try this one. Cheers. Okay. It has seeds in it.
A little tougher than I expected.
It was crunchy. Okay. I don't like that one too much. It's okay. It's not bad. But I don't know.
Tastes pickled.
Yeah. Taste pickled. Can you put that away? I'm not sure about this one. I don't really care for this one too much.
Not bad.
It's not like terrible. I give it a 3-star. A 3-star for this one, you guys.
I also kind of like the flavor.
Okay.
So it's like fruity, but also pickled at the same time.
Okay. I'm not sure about that one.
So
Put the seed in there.
4-star. What? That's just a seed.
Mm-hmm.
It's a seed. Grown.
It's okay. I know. Well, we gotta move up. As you can hear, the wind is peeking up. Okay, little notch right there. Let's go. I'm kind of excited for this one. Okay. No, just like it. Okay.
Wow,
That's different. There's 2 there. Be careful. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. So now we got this.
Smells like ginger.
That's a sweet smell.
Yeah, it smells like ginger.
Ginger? I don't know. Okay, so we got this one, you guys. Now let's try this one. Cheers. Okay.
Ginger taste.
Must be marinated in something. It does taste like ginger. You're absolutely right. Must be marinated in, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, marinated in something. It's red, but it does taste a lot like ginger. It has like a little spicy kick to it. Okay, I like this one. Nice and chewy. Okay. That one was really good. I like that one a lot. Daisy? I like the little kind of spice kickness, spiciness in it, and everything like that. So it's really good. I like this one. I give this one a 4-star. I recommend these ones. These are really good. So, not a candy, not for kids. You're in trouble. No, just kidding. But anyway, all right. Yeah. That's that one. 4-star. Yeah. What's your star rating? A 4-star. We just wanted to thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoy our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Alright, you guys. We're going to see you down there. We'll let you know when we can reach the bottom. Hopefully we'll make it down safely. We should be good. We'll be fine.
Make sure to check out the Saturday video.
Yep, the Saturday video will be the hike. We're going to show you the hike and more on how we came up here and explained all about the trail and everything. Yes. So, alright, you guys. Until next time.